Mexico. Let's check it out. Beautiful view. Got a couch, place for all of the clothes, king size bed. They give you a safe to keep your belongings, which is nice. Full mini bar included. Not the best drinks, but we'll take it. They also got a mini fridge stocked with beverages already. Tecate. In the bathroom, they got a big shower, double sink.
That's a nice view.
Very nice view. Beautiful view. See the beach down there, the couple pools.
Nice. Got a view of the whole place. Mexico, the Riu Vallarta.
Ooh la la.
Ooh la la. Beautiful.
Muy bien.
¿Coffee liqueur?
Sí.
Café irlandés. No more tequila for you, right? Ese lado ahí.
Oh, gracias. Oh, muchas gracias.
To the beach.
To the beach.
We get breakfast?
I'm kind of down for breakfast.
What do you got here?
Okay, I got an omelet. This is like a beef taco and a breakfast burrito.
Very
Yep.
nice.
This little iguana is scrappy. You would love it. Good morning from Puerto Vallarta.
Good morning.
It's 10:15 and it's hot. First things first, we gotta have some Mexican water. Yep. Cheers, love you. And we're going ziplining later.
Here you have the option to go to the other Riu hotel right down the road. This is the Riu Jalisco. Also a beautiful hotel.
definitely newer. You can tell it's a lot more modern. Just like the art. These hotels are always super clean. And like we just stayed in Hawaii at the Hilton, and it's honestly like is just as nice. Okay, so we're at the Mexican grocery store, and they have this machine, and you can order a glass of wine from the machine. Isn't that so cool?
All right, here we are, going ziplining. We got our jungle bus.
A jungle truck.
You do go fast.
This is nothing though.
Bye, Cass.
Let go a hand.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Hasta la pasadilla.
Hungry man. Just what you need after 5 hours of ziplining. Hola, monkey. Woo. Woo. Look at how silly. Oh, they're so cute. Hello, monkey. Oh my God. Actually looks really nice at night. I'm gonna ask how late dinner's open. Just kidding. They poured our soup. Pineapple tea? You wanna taste it? Let me know what you think. Good. This is the beef tenderloin fillets.
Looks beautiful.
These look beautiful.
Oh wow, talk about tender now.
Extra tender. Really?
For breakfast, we have an omelet, and then Cassie got her beef soup
Beef soup
for breakfast.
for breakfast and
Beef-
green juice. We just bought these hats. Real opinion for the Riu, and a lot of people hate on the Riu in the same way that they do on Carnival. They're like, it's cheap, it sucks, whatever. But to be honest, it's not the fanciest hotel we've ever been to, but the service is great. We've had a really good time so far, and it's super clean. I will totally give them that. This hotel is very clean. We got a beautiful view, and there's always good vibes at the Riu. I'm happy. The first Riu we stayed at was the Riu Reggae in Montego Bay, and we had a really good time there. Loved it. It had great service. It was clean, and they had the jerk chicken shop on the beach, and that was like wonderful. I haven't been back to Riu since, but we had a really good time there, so we thought we're getting a screaming deal to go to the Riu Vallarta. So we ended up here, and it's been great. We paid very little for this weekend, and I justified it as like, we got our flight, hotel, food, and alcohol all covered at one price. So that's how I made it work. Yeah, and we're just like happy to be here. I don't know, whatever, it's a new experience. I'm happy.